A very pleasant morning to all my dear children. We have already learnt about matter is made up of particle and size of the particle. Today the continuation topic we are going to start. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter are continuously moving. So before entering into actual topic, you must know some certain basics. I'll recall some certain basics so that you can remember easily. So already you learned in the previous classes different forms of energy. So there are mainly two different forms of energy. One is potential energy and another one is kinetic energy. So potential energy is nothing but the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its position. So position word is important. Next, kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but the energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion. So I will give you one simple example. Potential energy and kinetic energy. Water stored in the dam. So stored water is nothing but potential energy. The water is in the position. So as soon as if you open the door, the water will start to flow. Is it or not? So that is nothing but motion. So position water becomes motion. I hope you understood potential energy and kinetic energy. Today's topic will start. Particles of matter are continuously moving. So how we are going to prove that particles of matter are continuously moving? So how can you prove that particles of matter are continuously moving? So therefore simple activity, spray perfume in one corner of the room and go to the other corner. After some time you can smell the perfume in that corner of the room too. So what happens if you spray one corner of, if you standing one corner of your room, you just spray the perfume or room spray, whatever it may be. So you just go after some time to the other corner. So there also you can smell the perfume. So how you can get the smell of the perfume that corner also? Because this proves that the particles of matter are continuously moving. So because of with the help of this activity, we can prove that particles are continuously moving. If the particles are not moving, how this corner, if you are spraying this, how it is possible to move that corner? So it just clearly shows that particles of matter is continuously moving. So here important point is not spraying perfume. So you must have to understand this proves that the particles of matter are continuously moving. That is, they possess what we call kinetic energy. So how it is moving one place to another place? Because it has kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is nothing but energy possessed by a body by virtue of its motion, moving, in movement. Okay. And next one is, put an unlit incense stick in a corner of your room. How close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell? So unlit incense stick is nothing but agarbatti. So you know this is nothing but unlit incense stick. So unlit means which is nothing but unlighted. So see, this is unlit incense sticks. So here point is what? How close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell? How much closer you are going, that much smell you will get. Is it or not? But now light the incense stick. What happens? Do you get the smell stick at the distance? So what happens now if you light this incense stick? So what happens? If you are sitting at the distance also, you can able to smell this agarbatti smell. Is it or not, children? But unlit, how much close you are going, that much smell you can get. But lighted incense sticks, lighted agarbatti, if you keep at the corner also, how much distance you are, you can get the smell. How it happens? So as the temperature rises, particles move faster. So temperature rises means particles move faster. So here not temperature rises. So that's why how much closer you are going, that much smell you will get. But here temperature rises. If the temperature rises, kinetic energy also will increases. So kinetic energy increases means the particles will move very fastly. So that's why if you are distance also, you can able to smell this agarbatti smell. So as the temperature rises, particles move faster. So we can say that with increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. In the help of this activity, what we can understand? So we can understand increase in temperature, the kinetic energy of the particles also increases. increases. So in the first activity we learned that particles of matter are continuously moving. So because of what? Because of kinetic energy. In the second activity what we learned? If the temperature increases. So temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. These are the important points, not this activity, not agarbatti, not perfume. With the help of those activity we can say that if the temperature increases, kinetic energy also increases. In the above activities, we observe that particles of matter intermix on their own with each other. In the two activities also, whether it is perfume or incense stick also. So what happens? The both two types of matter intermixing each other. They do so by getting into the spaces between the particles. How it happens? Because they are getting into the spaces, empty spaces. So this intermixing of particles of two different types of matter and their own is called diffusion. In the simple word, which is nothing but diffusion. The intermixing of two matter, different types of matter on each other, this is nothing but diffusion. Diffusion in simple word, spreading. Okay, I hope you all understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask me, children. Thank you.